Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about how to combine YouTube, Facebook, and affiliate marketing in order to make money from home. So stay tuned. We all know YouTube has millions, if not billions, of users a day. They pay through advertisement. They run advertisement on their platform for videos, and then they pay those video creators a certain percentage of that money, right? So YouTube is a channel with a lot of traffic. Then we have Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketplace, and this affiliate marketplace specializes in giving you the opportunity to promote Amazon products in order to earn a commission. So every time that someone buys an Amazon product through you, you will make money on that sale. It won't be a lot of money, but it will be a good quantity. Now, when those sales add up, they start turning into a good amount of money that could substantially be something you could live off of, especially if you're placing these links, personalized links that they give you in very trafficked areas. That's where YouTube comes in. YouTube is a very trafficked platform. Now, let's say that I like technology and I want to sell technology, and I see this 12 terabyte hard drive that I like, right? So if you go to Amazon Associates and you sign up, it's free to sign up, by the way. So all of this is free. You can sign up and start making money for free. You go to Amazon Associates, you sign up, you look up some kind of product you like. I like this external hard drive. I get the link. Usually it's better to get the shorter link so that you don't have one big ugly link on a post. And then, for example, we have this page here, Tips and Reviews. Tips and Reviews is selling this hard drive, so they posted the link on Facebook. Right now, we posted the link on Facebook. Why? Because we know that a lot of people are trafficking through Facebook as well. So we have YouTube, we have Facebook. Maybe we can combine the two in order to get the most amount of traffic, right? Especially because both of those are very well known for videos. And we promote this product, and if we click on that and it takes us to the product page. So if someone was to, it even tells you how many people have seen it and everything. If someone was to click on it and buy it, we would make a commission on that. That page would make a commission on that. Now, Facebook ads. Why are Facebook ads important? Because Facebook ads will help you reach more people. So now let's say I got a YouTube channel, I got a Facebook page, I got an Amazon Associates account, and I want to sell this. If I go to Facebook and I create this type of post, and then I create advertisement through this type of post, I can create traffic. So this guy right here, for example, on YouTube is doing videos about technology. He's talking exactly about that same Western Digital 12 terabyte external hard drive, right? So his name is Byte My Bits, right? He makes videos about technology, and he has over 102,000 subscribers, right? Over 124,000 views. Even if he got 1% of the people who watched that video to buy this external hard drive, you saw that the link was right in the description. So if like 1% of the people clicked on that link and then bought that item within the next 30 days of them clicking that link, then that person made money on that sale as well, not only the YouTube views. Now, why are Facebook and YouTube the most important ones to keep in mind? Because Facebook and YouTube are the ones that pay for views as well. Now, there are other marketplaces you could sign up to. Clickbank is another great affiliate marketplace that you could sign up to, and you can find a lot of very good products that will help you create sales online. So if you go to their marketplace, you can see that they have a lot of products. So I'm on the arts and entertainment category right now. I'll show you the rest of the categories in just a second. But you can see they have a lot of products with some very good margins, up to $140, right? So as I said, I'm in arts and entertainment, but you can see we have a scene on TV, we have betting systems, we have business and marketing, we have computers, we have a little bit of everything. So if you don't think you could sell something from art and entertainment, you can maybe sell something from a scene on TV, or you can maybe sell something from a different marketplace. As I said, there's plenty of marketplaces, and you should sign up to as many as you can, because that that way you have a wider selection and a wider catalog to pick from, right? So we see right here, for example, this Singorama. It says here, it has here some information on the product and how much I could earn and how easy it is to sell. And we have other videos that talk about how to pick a good product, but if we go to the page, it looks like this, right? So this is their selling page. They've been testing this. This is what works for them. They probably have a lot of sales, so they it said there that they have a lot of sales, and besides they have an affiliate program link page, right? And that's always great because that will give you tools to help you sell in a web page. If you want to start your own web page, that's also something you could do for free, and you could advertise it on Facebook, and then people can go on it and start purchasing stuff by just clicking links, and you could make money that way, right? And the best part is you could be making money while you sleep. There's really no limit to when you could be making money. You just make the posts, you start sharing them. You have to invest a little bit on the Facebook ads, but it's the trick is usually to try to turn $1 into $2, right? So I invest $1 on a Facebook ad, and then I make $2 on a sale, and keep doing that, you know? So maybe if you start investing time on making this type of videos, we see here we have a lot of reviews from Singorama, and if you invest your money in advertisement of some of these products, you can start creating sales and you can start making money. Now I'm opening a few of this here so we can check them out. We see this one here has a link, so that should probably send us to the Singorama page. Looks like it didn't. Looks like someone's link isn't working properly. That's something you should always check. But we have here this review from Singorama, and then if we click on the link in the description, it will send us probably to Singorama. We're just gonna wait here for it to load, and when it does, we'll see. Yep, there it goes. So it sends us to Singorama. So after clicking on that link, if I was to buy Singorama, that person would make money. Now, as I mentioned before, once again, there are plenty of marketplaces you could sign up to. ShareSell is another great affiliate marketplace where you could find amazing products that you could be selling. They have plenty of categories that could be interesting to almost anyone, from accessories, business, classifieds, computers, clothing, etc. Right? So they have really well-known brands like Reebok, Spanx, Omaze. They have a lot of really well-known products. So they are like Redbubble, Cricut, right? So Canva. So even services that are paid monthly. So in those cases, some of them like Masterclass, in those cases, some of them even give you a commission monthly. As long as that person is signed up, you are going to be making money. So definitely worth checking out more than one marketplace, and it's definitely worth checking out all of their categories to see the products that you think you could sell by talking about them, because it's something that you could relate to or something like that. Also, we have other marketplaces from regular stores. Remember that right now, because of what's happening, everybody's moving to a more digital approach. So we have the programs from Sears, from Macy's, right? Best Buy, Home Depot, right? Most of the big chain stores will have affiliate programs. Even services like Apple Plus, like the TV show or the TV streaming program, is definitely something that you could sell on an affiliate marketplace through Apple's affiliate marketplace. So make sure you check out all of the possibilities and sign up to as many marketplaces as you can. And another good place to sign up to is the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a private community of people building online businesses through affiliate marketing. The club is designed to connect all affiliates with business owners and course creators in order to increase their earnings, right? Definitely worth signing up. They have you can sign up for free to a free masterclass with Andy Isom, who's made over $40,000 last year from posting content without really investing in it. So check it out. Definitely worth checking out. If you go to his YouTube page, you could also see he has a lot of views and tips and stuff like that. You should check those out too. But definitely worth looking into, because you could learn from his mistakes and you can learn from what he learned in this masterclass. So if you want to take this idea seriously and you want to start truly making money, I recommend you invest some time too in training. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you very much, and we thank you for being here watching our videos. We hope that this was helpful to you. We hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to support us, please give us a like and subscribe, because we're constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online, and we hope that we can help you out through these tough times with some maybe side hustles that you could try out. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you later.